This is a blinker example on the ESP32D. This is the standard ESP32 dev module, one USB port. If you are coming from Arduino, the setup is almost the same. I'm using PlatformIO instead of Arduino IDE. The config is one file, platformio.ini. The built-in LED on most ESP32 boards is on GPIO 2. It's a regular LED, not RGB, so a plain digitalWrite works, no extra library. The code is in source main.cpp. It sets GPIO 2 as output, then in loop sets it high, waits half a second, sets it low, waits again. That's it. Full project on GitHub. Link is in the description. Upload. The LED starts blinking. I wrote a bit more about this setup on my site. Link is in the description. If you are building something with the ESP32, please share it on our Discord group. Link is also below. Bye!